Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I have made the decision, well really I've been thinking about it like over the past week, but I have made the decision that we are gonna try to get our life together and really like lock in, get it together for good, for forever. Set routines, do better, eat better, get back in the gym, all that good stuff. A little full reset, if you will. And with that being said, the first thing I need to do is get the house together. Granted, it be looking better than what I'm gonna show y'all, but I've been having friends over, working again, like all type of stuff, and now it's just a bunch of stuff everywhere. Like, not horrible, but hi the cutie. Hi the cutie. Ooh, you're not getting a treat, but like I said, I need a whole new setup situation here. I realize I've never given y'all like a updated house tour. Like, I've been here 6 months now. Yeah, 6 months now, and I need to give y'all like a little updated situation about the house. And I feel like I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna talk about like finances, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's another thing. But house update, let me know if y'all like that and what questions y'all like to know about me having a house at this ripe age of 24. But house, dishes a mess, like everything is just low-key everywhere. Beauty room, still have yet to fully tackle this. I cleaned it up kind of, and then I destroyed it again, but that's gonna be another separate video. Like, I really just want to do everything all in one day, sort of, kind of. And then bathroom, I need to wash and get a better hamper. Nothing too crazy in the bathroom. I low-key want to get like something to put right here too, but that's a later problem. And then the room, very bland, very basic. Like, I have yet to even decorate. I feel like so behind, but at the same time I've been kind of trying to perfect everything so I don't have to keep redoing. Like, I want to decorate. Like, it's fall season, I don't have no decorations. It's gonna be Halloween, I don't have no decorations. It's not like when I was in the apartment and I could just choose to not decorate. I feel like I kind of have to, but then again, it's mainly old folks on my street, but it is some kids, so it's like I gotta at least put some lights out or something. So I don't know. Basically, we're gonna start here, get the house together, and then at some point probably go with my mom so she can go grocery shopping with me. And like, fully, why did the camera just like, you know, anyways, so she could like really like take me grocery shopping. So I feel like she ain't never taught me how to grocery shop for real. And I'm trying to get in my like future girlfriend wifely duties, and that means I'm gonna have to start cooking too. But I feel like I rambled enough. Basically, I'm just gonna be getting my life together, and we'll see where the day or the weekend really takes us, because I know I'm not gonna get everything done today, since I'm barely getting the day started and it's already like 2 o'clock. So yeah. Also, look at my hair. Y'all probably seen it in a recent video. I went and got like it wasn't a curly cut, but like I got my hair trimmed basically, and my hair is giving life. It's giving luscious. The wash and go 8 down. It's very short, but we've learned to accept it. But like I said, I'm gonna stop talking and we are finna get cleaning.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your skin. myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, that's what Wake Me Bagel.
Love it, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit heavy wine. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Drip, 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 baby, ride in. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, you get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. You know with him, but some babies. Don't be better than that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're skating. Baby, don't hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit heavy wine. Last minute trips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in. Drip, 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 baby, ride in. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you tried on time. Baby, beat it till you shine one light. No, I need it more than just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, shine light. I'm putting in overtime and overdrive.
Dímelo, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair.
Sign up for the $50 one and it'll still save you like $50.
I think it's gonna be that one. Finally gonna get a microwave. Trying to get the cabinets so I can take down the little thing I have up right now and put a cabinet. That way the microwave can be connected to it. This is hard. I'm not built for this type of stuff. I don't measure everything wrong. Down bad. But I think I'm gonna get this one, but I'm trying to find one that's longer than 12. Like that one's 18, but I need another one that's like even longer. Like online it shows like a 30 by 30, but I don't see it in the store. I have been dreading going to this grocery store for I don't know how long, but I can't even put it off anymore. So hopefully the little list I put together kind of helps me get through this. If not, we're gonna be here a while. I have 2 to 3 stores to go to. Very unfortunate they didn't have a lot of the stuff I need, but it's okay. I spent a total of how much? Basically $230. That's not bad. That's not bad. Probably only need like $50 more to spend at Walmart. Shout out the EBT. Shout out the EBT. Ugh, hot, sweating. Still, I ain't gonna say stinky, but my armpits are definitely moist. But it's okay. One more stop, pick up dog food. And then I get to go back and be in the air. The nice, cool air. Dog food are in the bucket, but we have all this to put up. Hey, crazy. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Next day or whatever, but another, I wanted to get out my groceries. I want to say this was like another $200 spent at Walmart. Yes, I did order this stuff. This is basically everything I forgot to get, plus some stuff that was like automatically just cheaper getting from Walmart. So yeah, more groceries. I think I should be done grocery shop. I think I should be set for at least a couple. Sir, somebody gonna get these bad kids out my business, both of them. Like, why do you even have a ball in the house? How did you even get the ball in the house? No, I don't want to play with y'all right now. I don't. Go outside or something. Go. Let's do that. Let's go outside. Yeah. Bye. Bye. I see why they say don't have kids. I see why they say don't have kids. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my groceries up. Where are they gonna go? I don't really know, but hopefully I can make it work. I want to get some of those like organizing things, not really for the freezer, but the little aesthetic clear bins, and like, you know. But also, if anybody has this like specific refrigerator, it's a Samsung something, I don't know, why can't I move these? Like, this is such an inconvenient amount of space right here, and I don't like it, because it's like I can get stuff in there, but it's not like as big as this one. And then it's like, I don't know, like all this stuff, like I just want to move it around, but we just gonna have to make it work how it's been working.
Come take me out, let's move there. I be waiting on you from long. You ready to down low like bombs, you ready, boom. Nothing but a roll in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. You gotta see it in person. Can't just keep talking about it. We can't just keep talking about it.
you.